जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझको थोड़ा रंग घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के all the Jimmy fans all the Mr. Chance all the Jimmy fans all the Mr.
signifying that a moment such as this has never occurred in the past and will not occur in the future. This moment is truly invaluable.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we extend a warm welcome to you for the 15th MK Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition 2025, organized by the Karnataka Law Society's Raja Lakhamgowda Law College, Belgavi.
This year marks 15th year of excellence in mooting, and we are honored to have respected dignitaries, participants across India, and all attendees here. I, Samarth Salimat,
And I, Ziana George, are honored to serve as the presenters for the today's function.
I request everyone to keep your phones on silent.
Karnataka, one state, many worlds. I now invite Shraddha and group to sing the Nadagite. I request everyone to stand for the scene.
जय भारत जननी तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वन गणनाडे जय हे रसऋषिगणपीठे भूदेवी मकुटध नवमणिये गंधन चंदन ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ದಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಶಂಕರ ಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರರಿಯ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಚಂಡ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ ಕಂಪನ ಕುಮಿಪತಿ ಚಂದ ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳಧಾಮ ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯನಾಮ ಜ್ಞಾನಕ ರಾಮ ದಂಡ ಕಬೀರರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಭೈರವ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಳಿದ ನಾಡೆ ಕನಕವರರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗಾ ಕಾವೇರಿಯ ವರರಂಗ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಸರ್ವಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ರತಿಗಳ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸೀಕ ಜೈನರು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಜನಗಣ ಹೋಲುವ ತೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ ಕಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ದೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ
Thank you, Shraddha and group.
A small cheer and a warm welcome will enhance the celebration. To welcome the esteemed gathering,
A very pleasant good evening for one and all present here. It's my honor and privilege to welcome the dignitaries on the dais and off. Before I could formally welcome the dignitaries on the dais, I will take an opportunity for the participants and the guests on the dais to brief history about this Raja Lakamgoda Law College. My Lordship, Justice Adiga sir, this Raja Lakamgoda Law College was established in the year 1939 by 7 visionaries having a dream to cater the needs of this southern part of India with a law background. At the time of initiation of this law college, it was affiliated to the Bombay University. And at the time of getting this college affiliated, the Bombay University demanded a procedural aspect as a capital amount of 1 lakh rupees to be deposited to the university. Of course, now 1 lakh rupees is nothing for us now. Imagine 1939, 1 lakh rupees to be deposited. Then the 7 visionaries, having an aim, the vision to start the law college, approached the Raja, priestly king of Vantamuri, Raja Lakamgoda Sardesai of Vantamuri. He had generously donated 1 lakh rupees to those 7 visionaries to start with this RL Law College in 1939. They deposited in 1939 1 lakh rupees to Bombay University. Then it was a birth of this great institution, Raja Lakamgoda Law College. Since then, this was one of the oldest law colleges in southern part of India and first law college in Karnataka state. This college later affiliated to the Karnataka University Dharwad. Now, since 2009, after the establishment of the Karnataka State Law University, now this Raja Lakamgoda Law College is affiliated to the Karnataka State Law University, Hubli, which is the one university centralized at the Karnataka states. Sir, this college has contributed enormously in all walks of the life, judiciary, executive, legislative, all the areas, sports also. If I go on explain the history of this college, at least it will take 5 to 6 hours to elaborately brief the history of this college. But because of the paucity of the time, I restrict myself to highlight some of the leaders, great visionaries of this institution as well as alumni of this RL Law College. Sir, this college has produced 2 Chief Justices to the Supreme Court, namely Justice E.S. Venkatramaya and Rajendra Babu. And present Supreme Court Judge, Justice Her Lordship Nagaratna Madam's father, E.S. Venkatramaya, happened to be the student of this college. This college has till now produced more than 30 High Court judges across India, including the 2 former Chief Justices of the Kerala High Court, Justice Bandurmad and Justice Malimad, happened to be the student of this institution. Sir, the legacy of contributing to the bench, the legacy was continued last year at the Karnataka High Court. 5 judges, sitting judges, are from RL Law College. We had a grand function in the last year under the auspicious chief guest, Chief Justice of the Karnataka then, Justice Varale was the chief guest, and under his thing, we felicitated all our 5 sitting High Court judges in Karnataka. I'm not exaggerating to say, and proudly, one college produced 5 sitting High Court judges in a same particular year. We are not only contributing to the highest judiciary, we are also contributed even to the subordinate judiciary also, sir. Every year, our college students got selected as a civil judge for the appointment of the civil judges. I remember in 2013, if I'm not wrong, 13 students of the RL Law College got selected as a civil judge, and amongst that, 2 are the top of the Karnataka and from this RL Law College. Even for assistant public prosecutor, everywhere a student excelling this field to contribute to the bench. Respected Justice, this college not only produced a contributing to the bench, this college has enormously contributed even to the bar also. To quote our proud alumnus, Padma Vibhushan K.K. Venugopal, former Attorney General of India for 2 terms, happened to be the proud alumnus of this RL Law College. This college having many eminent practicing advocates practicing at high courts as well as at Supreme Court. And a legacy is continued, and this college taking care of not only theoretical teaching, but we're concentrating even on the student practical aspects of approaching the proceedings of the courts. Sir, this college not only contributed to the bench and the bar, this college also contributed a lot in the political arena. This college has produced 2 chief ministers of the Karnataka state, namely S.R. Bommai and J.H. Patel, happen to be the student of this college. A number of parliamentarians, central ministers, state ministers, even ministers at different part of the state like Goa and Kerala, they're all the students of this RL Law College, including a speaker positions also. Bankar happened to be the student of this college. And veteran writer is leadingly known as a Papu, that is a Patil Puttappa, happened to be the student of this RL Law College. Sir, this college not only contributed to the field of a bench and the bar and the political arena, even this college has contributed even in other walks of the life, namely the cinematic area. Sri Charu Hasan, the brother of Kamal Hasan and father of actress Suhasini, happened to be the student of RL Law College. This college has produced international sport athlete who represented India in athletics. Arjun Devaya happened to be the student of this college. And for that reason only, every year, minimum 5 to 6 students of our college got selected as university blues to the university. And last but 1 year, at a stretch, we had 9 university blues to the RL Law College. And for the academic excellence, before establishment of the KSLU, that is Karnataka State Law University, when we are affiliated to the Karnataka University, 99.9 all ranks used to backed by RL Law College. So now also we are bagging a ranks to the university because it's state arena, but still we are not left that legacy of getting a ranks to this RL Law College. And this college also produced in the academic arena also, executive arena also, Professor V.B. Cotido, former Vice Chancellor of the Gulbarga University, happened to be the proud alumnus of this institution. And many students of this college excelling in their career as a faculty, including our own law college. 4 or 5 faculties are the alumni of this Arya Law College. So, with the support of management, a liberal management which always feels proud if anything, first priority would be given to the Arya Law College. I could see as an academician, academic council member at the university level, when I visited the different parts of the colleges, many of the management give the first preference to the other branches, law as a last. But here it is exactly vice versa. Law is a first, others are secondary. That is the attachment of the management with this Raja Lakamkoda Law College. It's having a big history and a legacy. It's our owner's responsibility on us to carry that legacy. We are trying our level best to give good back to the society. We are continuing the legacy of all the eminent faculties of this Arya Law College and the faculty, and the support of the management. With this brief introduction about the Arya Law College, formally, I, on behalf of the entire Karnataka Law Society, Arya Law College family, staff, students, wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, for this inaugural function of M.K. Nambyar Memorial National Book Conference. Welcome. I also deem it very privileged and honor to welcome the president of the today's function, Sri V.Z. Kulkarni, Advocate, Secretary KLS. Welcome, sir. I also honor to welcome respected member of the Arya Law College, Sri V.M. Deshpande, sir. Welcome, sir. Former principal of the Arya Law College, almost 30 years was the principal of this Arya Law College. Former principal, Sri V.N. Joshi, sir. Welcome, sir. My friend, always attached to this Arya Law College for judging the moot court competition, and I proudly say he is my junior at LLM, Mr. Dr. Babugoda Pati from Goa. Welcome, sir. I also welcome the other two faculties from the same Salgaonkar Law College. Welcome, madams. I also welcome the former visiting faculty of this college, Political Science Professor, Professor B.Z. Patil, sir. Welcome you, sir. And I also welcome the former principal of the Gote College of Commerce, my elderly brother, Sri Dr. Virapur, sir. Welcome you, sir. I also, on behalf of the management and the staff and the students, wholeheartedly welcome all the print and press electronic media for their wonderful yesterday's coverage. Almost in all the newspaper and print and electronic media, I welcome you all for this function. How can I forget the center of attraction of this 15th year M.K. Nambyar Memorial National Boot Court Competition, the student participants across India. On behalf of the management and the family of Arya Law College, I welcome you all. I also welcome my lovely, enthusiastic, hard-working volunteers of this Arya Law College, M.K. Nambyar volunteers. I am failing in my duty if I am not welcome. They are the backbones behind the scene. All my support to staff, whether clerical, meaning, office, menial staff, they are worked for the last 1 year, day and night, last week, 1 week, day and night, to make all of us comfortable. It is effort of the menial as well as clerical staff. I welcome you all for this August function of inaugural function. Yeah. I also welcome the services rendered by all the vehicle drivers for the last 2 days, midnight also. because some flight arrived at the midnight, some train arrived at the midnight 2 o'clock. On behalf of the management and RL Local family, I welcome all the vehicle drivers for this 15th edition of MK Nambyar Moot Court competitions. Once again, I welcome one and all for this 15th edition of MK Nambyar Memorial National Moot Court competition. Thank you, Madam.
Secretary Mr. Bharat Naik to introduce our chief guest for today's function, Honorable Mr. Justice Umesh M. Adiga, Judge High Court of Karnataka.
Dignitaries on and off the days, ladies and gentlemen, I, Bharat Naik, General Secretary, take the pleasure of introducing to you all our esteemed chief guest of today's function, Honorable Justice Mr. Umesh M. Adiga, Judge, High Court of Karnataka. Justice Umesh Manjunath Bhatt Adiga completed his BCom degree at ASS College of Commerce, Gadag, and completed his LLB degree from S.A. Manvi Law College, Gadag in 1987. Sir enrolled himself as an advocate on 27 June 1989 in Karnataka State Bar Council and started his practice at Bengaluru. Sir served as an Assistant Public Prosecutor, Government of Karnataka at Nipani. After his appointment as a civil judge on 8 February 1995, Sir served at Karkala. Sir also served as Under Secretary at Karnataka Bhavan, New Delhi. Sir was promoted as a senior civil judge and served at Bengaluru Rural District and Belgavi. Sir was promoted as district judge and served in Athani, Tumkuru, Devanhalli, Belgavi and Bengaluru. For a short period, Sir served as a Registrar Vigilance, High Court of Karnataka, Bengaluru. Sir also served as Principal District Judge at Chikmagaluru and Dharwad. His Lordship was elevated as Additional Judge of High Court of Karnataka and sworn in on 16th August 2022. His Lordship became Judge on 16th April 2024 and has been serving as a Judge of High Court of Karnataka. It is a matter of great pride to have Sir with us as the chief guest of today's function. I request the President of today's function, Shri V.G. Kulkarni, Advocate and Secretary, Karnataka Law Society, to honor our Honorable Chief Guest, Justice. Thank you, sir.
Shri V.G. Kulkarni, Advocate and Secretary, Karnataka Law Society.
Good evening, everyone. Dignitaries on and off the days, ladies and gentlemen. I, Vaishnavi Kalburgi, take the privilege to introduce the President of today's function, Shri Vivek G. Kulkarni, Advocate and Secretary, Karnataka Law Society, Belgavi. Sir is an alumnus of the very first batch of MVM's English Medium High School. Sir is a graduate in physics and later pursued his LLB from Karnataka University, Dharwad, graduating in 1998. Sir is also a gold medalist in Diploma in Business Management. Beyond academic achievements, Sir was a cadet of Air Wing NCC, during which he had successfully completed solo gliding. After gaining valuable industrial experience, Sir embarked on his legal career, joining the Belgian Bar in 1998. He is also committed to the social causes and education with his active associations with various prestigious organizations including Swami Vivekanand Kendra, Kanyakumari, the Union Gymkhana, Belgavi, E-Rotary Club of RI District 3170, Mahila Vidyalaya Mandal, Belgavi, where he serves as a secretary. Sir became a member of Karnataka Law Society on 23rd October 2016, following the footsteps of his father, late Shri G.V. Kulkarni, who was also a member of the society. Apart from law and education, his areas of interest include Indian classical music, traveling and photography. With such an impressive blend of academic excellence, professional dedication and social service, Sir is truly an inspiration to all of us. Indeed, it is a privilege to have you, Sir, amongst us. I request Dr. A.H. Havaldar Principal, RL Law College, Belgavi, to honor the Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you.
This event.
A very good evening to everyone present here. Indeed, it's matter of great pride to me to get this opportunity to introduce the prestigious M.K. Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court. This year is special because this year we are not just having the moot court competition, but we are celebrating 1.5 decade of excellence in mooting. This is the 15th edition of M.K. Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition. But my introduction of the event will be incomplete without introducing or speaking about the extraordinary pair of father and son, that is M.K. Nambyar and Shri K.K. Venugopal, and their contribution to the Indian Constitution. Shri M.K. Nambyar always considered himself to be a student of law. He never, despite or in spite of his achievements, never considered himself to be a master of constitution. To quote his contribution to the development of the constitution, just 2 incidents. First one, once he was in England to argue a matter before Privy Council, and while he was wandering through the streets of England, he saw an advertisement which showed that there was a course on constitutional law. A person who had just been to argue a matter decided to stay back in England, got himself admission, joined the course, and decided to stay there and complete the entire course. This shows, or we should appreciate him for his vision. He knew that the knowledge that he will get by this course will be useful, because this was pre-independence era when he was there. So he knew that the knowledge he will get from this course would be really useful for the development of Indian Constitution later. The second very important contribution to quote is Shri M.K. Nambyar got admission to do his PG diploma in Banaras University. While he was studying there, he came across an article written by Professor D. Conard, and the title of the article was Implied Limitation on Amending Powers of Parliament under the German Constitution. He was so influenced by this article that he made use of this knowledge that he had received from this article in his argument that he put forth in Golaknath's case, which was restriction on powers of the parliament for amending the constitution. However, this became a dissenting opinion in that particular case, but later on this became the rule of this country, that is under the landmark case Keshwanand Bharti versus Stater. Further, his contribution to the constitution has always been immense. But a question arises: how is M.K. Nambyar associated with RL Law College? What is his relation with RL Law College? This is a person, M.K. Nambyar, born in Kerala, who practiced in Chennai, who later on shifted to Delhi. Then how does he have any connection with RL Law College? It is all because of his son, Shri K.K. Venugopal. Shri K.K. Venugopal, after his graduation, took admission in law course in RL Law College, Belagavi, and RL Law College became alma mater for Shri K.K. Venugopal, and several years later, in fond memory of his father, he instituted this prestigious M.K. Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition. I should say, like father, like son, the constitution which was nurtured by M.K. Nambyar in its infancy was nourished by K.K. Venugopal in its adulthood. A visionary just like his father, he has been part of great landmark decisions, argued for the government, representing the government, being the former Attorney General for India. And it is a matter of great pride that RL Law College has been blessed because we are associated with such two great legal luminaries. This year, the topic of moot court competition is protection of women against Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act. I consider this particular topic very relevant, particularly today when we are on the eve of International Women's Day. The theme of International Women's Day being accelerate action, the need to accelerate, to swift and be decisive in bringing about gender justice in India. So therefore this topic becomes very relevant today. Apart from this, 15th edition of M.K. Nambyar is certainly different because this year we had requested the participants not just to submit their arguments on the memorial about the issues and submit the memorials, but we had also asked them to frame guidelines, recommendations, suggestions which are necessary to bring about changes in the existing law. According to you, what changes are necessary? And the guidelines were prepared by the participants and they have done a commendable job in the same. Coming to the prizes, Shri M.K. Nambyar Memorial National Level Moot Court Competition, every year we give 6 categories of prizes. Winner receives a cash prize of 50,000 along with a trophy. Runner-up receives cash prize of rupees 30,000 and a trophy. Best mooter male receives cash prize of 15,000 and a trophy. Best mooter female receives cash prize of 15,000 and a trophy. Best memorials receives cash prize of rupees 15,000 and a trophy. And best researcher gets cash prize of rupees 10,000 and a trophy. In addition to these 6 prizes, celebrating our 15th year of M.K. Nambyar Memorial Moot Court Competition, we have additionally added 9 categories of new prizes to mark 15 years celebration. So I see many teams smiling. So they can hope to get in one or the other category prizes certainly at the end of the event. I now would like to introduce the teams. I request the teams to kindly stand at their respective places as and when their names are called so that they can be formally introduced to the dignitaries today. National Law Institute, University, Bhopal. Mar Gregorius College of Law. Manik Chand Pahade Law College, Aurangabad. MS Ramaya College of Law, Bangalore. MES Law College, Sirsi. M. Krishna Law College, Hassan. Kristu Jayanti College of Law, Bangalore. Kelly's Society's S.A. Manvi Law College, Gadag. Kelly Society's Law College, Chikodi. Kelly Society's Law College, Bengaluru. Kelly Society's B.V. Bellad Law College. KLA School of Law. JSS Law College, Mysore. GK Law College, Hubli. Government Law College, Calicut, Kerala. Christ Academy Institute of Law, Bengaluru. Christ deemed to be University, Bengaluru. Alliance University, Bengaluru. VIT School of Law, VIT, Andhra Pradesh University, Andhra Pradesh. Veltech Institute, yes, Tamil Nadu. University Law College, Department of Legal Studies, Tamil Nadu. Universal School of Law. The Central Law College, Tamil Nadu. Symbiosis Law School, Pune. Symbiosis Law School, Noida. Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur. St. Joseph Law College, Bangalore. SDM Law College, Mangalore. Shahaji Law College, Kolhapur. School of Legal Studies, Reva University, Bangalore. Savita Law School, Tamil Nadu. Ram Manohar Lohia College of Law, Bangalore. Presidency University, Bangalore. National Law University, Odisha. National Law University, Nagpur. Shri Siddhappa Kamli Law College, Dharwad. O.P. Jindal Global University, New Delhi. Vivekanand Law College, Puttur. Vaikunta Badiga College of Law, Udupi. VVM Govind Ramnath Khare College of Law, Goa. VM Sargavkar College of Law, Goa. So I wholeheartedly welcome all the 42 teams, 19 teams outside Karnataka, 23 teams from Karnataka, and I wish you all the very best for the next 2 days of mooting. May the best team win. All the best.
Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one remembers to turn on the light. I request the chief guest and all the dignitaries to inaugurate the competition by lighting the lamp.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छामि ते सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य या विद्रता
Everyone.
I would now like to request the chief guest of today's function, Honorable Mr. Justice Umesh M. Adiga, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, to deliver the inaugural address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Principal of the college, Honorable President of this function, all the dignitaries are on the dais, and all the dignitaries of the dais, and Mr. Joshi sir, all the office bearers of the Board of Management, Karnataka Law Society, respected principal and faculty members, non-teaching staff of the college, media persons, and most important at the center of the event, the participant of the Moot court, and students of the college, invitees, ladies and gentlemen, and all the guests. Good evening to one and all. I firstly welcome to all the participants who are coming from the out of state, from my state. In any competition, normally participant will be under stress. Stress is always good to make a person active, but over stress is not good, especially in a legal profession. Peace of mind and presence of mind is always required in the legal profession. Anyhow, now the coordinator already announced there is more number of prizes are there. Therefore, there is no need, there is no fear that you go with the bare hands. You will get, everyone may get the prizes in this competition. It is indeed an honor and privilege to stand before such an esteemed gathering as such a chief guest for this prestigious national level Moot court competition. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the organizers for inviting me to inaugurate this event, which serves as a platform to the cultural, legal acumen and advocacy skill among the young legal minds. I must say, seeing many of bright legal minds sitting here under one roof gives me hope that the future of our judicial system is in the safe hands. Moot court competitions are an essential cornerstone in the journey of aspiring legal professionals. Unlike actual court proceedings, which involve real clients, witnesses, and legally binding judgments, a moot court is a simulated court experiences designed to train law students in the art of legal reasoning, argumentation, and courtroom etiquette. It allows participants to develop skill in a legal research, drafting, and persuasive advocacy in a risk-free environment, preparing them for a real-life litigation and judicial proceedings. In an actual court, lawyers must deal with the unpredictable elements such as cross-examination, real-time objections, and the weight of real-life consequences on their clients. Moot court, on the other hand, provides an academic setting where the participants argue hypothetical cases, learning to think their feet and engage in a legal discourse without the immediate pressures of a real stakes. There is space for growth, intellectual challenge, and a testing ground for future legal professionals. The theme and cases presented in the competition will certainly challenge participants to think beyond the textbook and judgments. They will test not just for the knowledge of the law, but your ability to frame persuasive arguments, anticipate counterpoints, and display a voice under the pressure. It is a heartening to witness the enthusiasm and dedication of each participant who has committed to these intellectual pursuits. I think this topic of this moot court has been cleverly selected, keeping in mind the occasion of International Women's Day celebration tomorrow, that is on 8th March 2025. I wish a happy Women's Day in advance. I thought it is a secret, but now the coordinator already disclosed that in the view of Women's Day, this program is selected. And more importantly, most of the participants and present here are women. Therefore, once again, I congratulate all you on the International Women's Day. While practicing as a lawyer, you may not come across cases registered under the POSH Act because such a misconduct are inquired by the internal committee constituted by the employer. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to highlight an extremely pertinent legal framework, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, normally called as a Prevention of Sexual Harassment POSHA Act 2013. As a legal professional, it is our duty to ensure that the workplace remain a safe, equitable and harassment-free environment. The POSH Act is a landmark legislation that aims to protect individuals, particularly women, from sexual harassment at their places of work. It lays down the mechanism for redressal, preventive measures and awareness to foster the culture and dignity and respect. You must be aware that above said act is a brainchild of Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan, reported in 1997 7 SCC 323, wherein Honorable Apex Court has given guidelines to prevent sexual harassment to the woman employee. The said act passed as India is a party to Article 11 of the Convention of Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination. As per the said convention, state parties to take all the appropriate measures to eliminate discrimination against women in the field of employment. The main object of the said act is the Constitution of India embodies the concept of equality under the Article 14 and 15 of the prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth or any of them. Article 19(1)(g) gives the fundamental right to all the citizens to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. This right presupposes the availability of enabling environment for women which is equitous, safe and secure in every respect. Article 21, which relates to the right to life and personal liberty, includes the right to live with dignity, and in the case of women, it means that they must be treated with due respect, decency and dignity at the workplace. Understanding and advocating for the principle of POSH Act is for not just responsibility of a judiciary, but of every legal professional and organization. As you step into the world of law, I urge each of you to use your knowledge and voice to create awareness about the rights and protections of a law provides. Moot court competitions like this can incorporate elements of gender justice, equality, and safe workplaces into the legal discussions, further strengthening the awareness and sensitivity among the young lawyers. Legal professionals must think critically, seek the truth beyond the obvious, and ensure justice prevails. Moot court competitions provide you with an opportunity to develop such a keen judgment and analytical skills. The theme and cases presented in this competition will certainly challenge the participant to think beyond the textbooks and judgments. Every lesson you learn is a brick that builds your future. To the participant, I encourage you to approach this competition with a spirit of learning and intellectual curiosity. Winning or losing is secondary. What truly matters is the experience and exposures and the knowledge you gain. Use this opportunity to develop not only your legal acumen but also your commitment to justice, integrity and ethical advocacy. No matter how your preparation is, let your confidence always be high. The path of justice is long but always precise. The moot court does not merely test your knowledge of legal provisions, it sharpens your ability to think logically, communicate effectively, and argue persuasively. These are the hallmarks of the great lawyer. The dedication and passion you bring to this competition will lay the foundation for your future careers in law, whether litigation, academia, corporate practice, or policy making. Moot court competitions are essential cornerstone in the journey of aspiring legal profession. To further inspire you, let me recall the words of great jurist Nani Palkiwala, who said, "A lawyer's duty is not to his client alone, but to the cause of justice and society at large. As future lawyers, you must uphold this principle. Justice should never be merely a profession, it must be your purpose. The fight for justice should not be a profession but a mission." As we inaugurate this National Food Court Competition, I extend my best wishes to all of the participants. May you argue with confidence, uphold the tenets of justice, and leave lasting impact with your advocacy skills. Let this event be a testament to the power of law and shaping of a fair and just society. Thank you, one and all. In addition to that, always I am fond of Kannada, and there are so many students of this college as well as for the 23 participants are from Karnataka. Therefore, I must say few words in Kannada with the permission of the persons coming from out of state. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 40 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ವಿಷಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ್ರಿಗೆ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಒಂದು RL ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜು. ಆವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗಳು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿತ್ತು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ತು, SM ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೆನೆಸಿಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಅವರೇ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕೆಲಸ, ಅವರು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಮಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಷಯ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿ ಕಲೀಲಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಹೊತ್ತು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಹಿತವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ IQ ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೌಟ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕಲಿತೀರಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಿ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಫೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರು ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ವೃಂದವಿರಲಿ, ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ವೃಂದವಿರಲಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ, ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ಕಾರು ನೀವೇ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋತ್ತಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲರು. ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ವೃಂದ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗಾರು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಗುರಿ ತಲುಪಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡೋಂಥವ್ರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಗೆ ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟೇ. ಅವ್ರು ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಸ್ ಈ ಪಾಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಲಿಸಿದಾತಂ ವರ್ತಮ ವರ್ಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗುರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಗೌರವಿಸಿ. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಆವಾಗ ಭೂಷಣ್ ಅವರಂತಿದ್ದರು, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರು, ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತವ್ರು, ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಸುವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೆನೆಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ವರೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದವನ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾವು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೂರನೇದಾಗಿ ಈ RL ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಕೆಲವರು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾಗೆ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ದಿರೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮದುವೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಅದೇ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಏನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಉಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಖಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಹಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಹೊರದ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ದುಡ್ಡಿಗಿದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಕುಂದಾನಗರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಊಟ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆತಿಥ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ತಿಂದು ಉಂಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಅತಿಥಿ ಸತ್ಕಾರ ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೆನಪಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಿರ್ಣಯ.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to request Shri V.G. Kulkarni, Advocate and Secretary, Karnataka Law Society, to deliver his presidential remarks.
Honorable Mr. Justice Umesh M. Adiga, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, Principal RL Law College, Sri V.M. Deshpande, Member, Board of Management, Karnataka Law Society, Joshi Sir, Virapur Sir, Members of Staff, dear students. At the outset, first, I am very much thankful to Honorable Justice Adiga Sir for immediately accepting our invitation, and without any hesitation, immediately second moment he said, yes, I will definitely come to Belgaum and attend this function. And in spite of his busy schedule, we know Friday evenings, we know the working and other things, but attending entire day in the court hall in High Court of Karnataka, Dharwad, and he has driven all the way from Dharwad. I am very much thankful to you, sir. I welcome all the participants from Karnataka and outside Karnataka. I would add few lines to what our principal sir said about RL Law College, and also about what Ashwini madam said about Moot Court competition. RL Law College is a pioneer institution in Karnataka Law Society, and definitely Karnataka Law Society has a special this for RL Law College. Whatever program is being taken by RL Law College, the society is always there. I would like to inform you all that from this academic year, we will be starting a new course, that is BCom LLB. And we very soon are likely to get the permission from Bar Council of India. So also, the starting of LLM in our college is also at the last this, and we are hopeful to get its approval also very soon. Our chairman of governing council, Sri M.R. Kulkarni sir, advocate, had always a dream of having a research center in RL Law College, and I am hopeful that once we start LLM course and other courses, we will definitely have a good research center in our institution. As sir told about the history of RLLC and having given 2 Chief Justices to India, and happy to inform you that we are likely to celebrate the centenary celebration of Honorable Chief Justice retired E.S. Venkatramaya, who was our past student, and Honorable Justice Nagaratna, who is the sitting judge, of Honorable Supreme Court of India has principally agreed to attend the function in coming days. As regards to the moot court competition, we have forgotten to name, we have almost 150 volunteers, students who are the students of RLLC. And all these 150 students are taking all care and precautions. I know right from the month of January onwards, you are preparing all these things. And I would like, as a good gesture, to all these 150 volunteers, you may be aware that GIT every year celebrates an Aura celebration. GIT is our sister concern, Gupta Institute of Technology, and this year we have a celebrity on 22nd of March. Sonu Nigam is coming. So, with the permission of our Board of Management, I from this dais declare that all the 160 volunteers, so we want the list of volunteers, will get free pass to attend the Sonu Nigam concert. And while finishing my address, I would like to tell something about K.K. Venugopal, what Madam has told. He is a gem of a person. About his legal deeds I did not tell or repeat again. But I would like to tell you that few years back, our staff, principal, etc. had been to him with an intention to have celebrations, other things, and invite him to the functions. Sri Venugopal, K.K. Venugopal ji, at that point of time, donated a sumptuous sum of around 1 crore rupees. And this did not end here. Subsequently, after a few years, we went to invite him for the Platinum Jubilee of Karnataka Law Society as well as RL Law College. And dear friends, we were surprised that gentleman had forgotten that he had donated that sum. So, see the audacity and generous this of K.K. Venugopal, and then the management of Karnataka Law Society acknowledging has named this particular hall as K.K. Venugopal Hall. And Madam has already told about the moot court and moot court competition and the donations made by him, and the management continues to support such noble cause. I once again welcome all the participants and wish them a wonderful competition. Have a nice day at Belgaum, and again once again thank Justice Adiga sir for accepting our invitation and coming to this occasion. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
I would now like to call upon Ms. Vaishnavi Kannur.
Long list of 42 teams. I just missed out a team and I'm very grateful to the team for reminding us. University Law College, Department of Legal Studies, Bangalore. I forgot to welcome you. I'm really sorry for the same.
I would now like to call upon Ms. Vaishnavi Kannur, ladies representative, to propose the vote of thanks.
And all present here. To begin with the words of Melody Bitte. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates vision for tomorrow. On behalf of KLS Management, Governing Council, Principal, Staff, and students of Raja Lakamgoda Law College, I, Vaishnavi Kannur, ladies representative, take the opportunity of proposing vote of thanks. First of all, I express my deepest gratitude to the chief guest of today's inaugural function, Honorable Justice Mr. Umesh M. Adiga, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, for accepting our invitation and delivering inaugural address. Thank you, sir. I express my heartfelt thanks to the President of today's function, Shri V.G. Kulkarni, Advocate Secretary, Karnataka Law Society, for delivering presidential remarks. Thank you, sir. I also thank KLS management members for their kind presence and support. My sincere thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. A.H. Havaldar, for welcoming August gathering. Thank you, sir. I heartily thank Professor Ashwini Parab, Chairperson Moot Court Department, for giving introduction about the competition. Thank you, ma'am. I thank all the dignitaries, invitees for their valuable presence in this function. I thank all the participants from the bottom of my heart for their valuable presence. As the participants embark towards the competition, we wish you all the best. I also thank press and media for their wide coverage of this function. My deepest thanks to all the teachers and supportive staff for their support in organizing this function. Thank you, sirs and madams. Last but not the least, I thank all the students, volunteers and my co-counselors who made this function a great success. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Prayatnam Sarva Siddhi Sadhana, which translates to efforts always lead to success. With this, we conclude the inaugural function. May the best team win.
I request all the teams to assemble in the MK Nambyar Moot Court Hall, which is situated in the first floor of the same building for drawing of lots. Thank you.